Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Mega in Navy. The new Hobonichi Weeks will be coming out next week, and I cannot wait to get my hands on my 2021 Hobonichi Weeks. So today I will be using a kit from my shop, and it's called Coffee First in option A. We have currently stopped the website for the meantime until we're able to get ourselves back together and think of new ways to spice up your Hobonichi. But for now, let's go ahead and see what I'm going to do today in my Hobonichi Weeks. Here I just put down the bottom bar as well as the date cover, and now I'm building my checklist boxes and blank boxes over on the left hand side of the page. So these boxes are individually cut, and you can choose between the checklist or the blank boxes depending on the day. So here I am strategizing which one I'm going to choose for each day, and it fits exactly that little space for each of your weekdays and weekend, of course. And what I'll do is that when it's busy days, it's going to be a checklist. If not, if it's just one big thing that's going on, it's going to be the blank boxes. So here I'm going to put down stickers on the right side of the page, and I'm going to start with what is supposed to be a bottom bar, but I'm putting it up top to add a little bit more decoration. And for the bottom bar of the right side of the page, I'm going to go ahead and layer this deco strip at the bottom. I'm currently going to avoid the calendar because I thought that I would be using it, but in the end I covered that up. And here I'm just using the handle of my tweezers to cut that sticker up to size on that space. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down my script stickers also from the kit. The first one that I'm putting down is the goal sticker, followed by some headers or label stickers where I'll be putting down my goals. And you'll see that I put a space in between the two labels so that I can expound on how I will be achieving those goals. I'm also putting down the to-do script sticker as well as the today script sticker over on the left side of the page, because that is what those spaces will be for. And then I'm putting down the weekend script sticker between Saturday and Sunday. I'm also going to put down the last script sticker, which is the notes sticker, and that is going to be for what's left on that side. And here I'm just putting down that leftover sticker because I didn't want to waste it. I didn't want to just throw it away. So for my notes, I divided it into two. One will be for lists and the other is just some free-flowing notes for that week. Currently, I'm using my Hobonichi Weeks as a weekly review journal, so I don't use it every day. I mostly write down stuff on it at the end of the week. So here I'm covering up the calendar with some box, or rather blank boxes, 3 of them at the bottom, maybe to put down some highlights of the week. I'm not really sure until I sit down with my Hobonichi. And the very last sticker in the kit goes on to the notes section, maybe to denote something happy. So here are my empties, and I used everything in that kit because I'm that kind of girl. I don't want to waste any sticker at all. And I'm writing down the dates using my Tombow brush pen. This is a very good brush pen. I highly recommend it. It works very well for my stickers as well as for the Tomoe River paper that is the Hobonichi Weeks. It is the last week of August, so I wanted to put down some thoughts about the month that had passed. And we are done for this plan with me. So here's a few close-up. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you soon.